A memorandum of understanding was signed between the Naga People's Organization NPO Senapati and the Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu, Southern Hills. As per the MOU, there will be no harassment of Naga commuters in Kuki-dominated areas. No tax shall be imposed on Senapati Naga trucks, traders, commercial goods or commuters. However, if any issue arises related to taxation, Cotu will intervene and take full responsibility to resolve it. The MOU also mentioned that any violation of the agreement will be addressed in accordance with the severity of the offence. In case of any issue affecting any community, both the NPO and Cotu are committed to provide full assistance and take responsibility for resolving them. The MOU was signed by H. Kuba Peter, President NPO, M. John, General Secretary NPO, Thanglin Kipgin, Chairman Cotu, and Lanmin Lun Singsit, Secretary Cotu.